True confession, I ate almost this entire batch of spicy cranberry chutney before it was time to serve it and had to remake it. Now, to get started, we'll need to wash the berries under cold water, then mince the orange peel. If you're not an orange lover, you don't typically have oranges at home, then just buy a single orange because you need less than the peel from less than one orange. Peel the ginger with a spoon or a table knife. Mince the ginger just as fine as the orange peel. If you prefer, you can chop it in a food processor. I like the larger bits just because of texture, and the knife gives me more control over the size of the bits. I've also added 3 cloves here because cloves, in my mind, pull the flavor out and makes for a brighter dish, so it kind of enhances the flavor. It's up to you. You can also add other aromatics if you wish. Next, stir in the berries and the sugar. Brown sugar is my sugar of choice unless the recipe explicitly states otherwise. Stir in the sugar until it's completely wet. This will prevent it clumping and burning as the chutney reduces. Cover the pot. Let it simmer for about 30 minutes before you crush the berries with a potato masher or a fork if you don't have a masher. Cover the pot, let it simmer for another 20 or so minutes to reduce the liquid. Then let it cool and thicken up before you serve it. Leftovers can be stored in the fridge for supposedly months at a time, but I don't know because that's never happened in my house. Bon appetit.